let's read a story. Today's story is Letter Sounds by Kim Mitsu Thompson, Karen Mitsu Hildebrand. Letter Sounds. This is the sound that B can make. B, 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 like bat and ball, bed and book. This is the sound that B can make. This is the sound that C can make. K, 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 like cat and cow, cup and cake. This is the sound that C can make. This is the sound that D can make. D, 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 like dog and duck, dish and dad. This is the sound that D can make. This is the sound that F can make. Like fan and fish, foot and farm. This is the sound that F can make. This is the sound that G can make. G, 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 like gate and girl, goat and gum. This is the sound that G can make. You can learn the sounds that letters make. You can learn the sounds that letters make. If you learn the sounds that letters make, then you will learn to read. Alrighty guys, you have done a fantastic job. Thank you for reading the letter sounds with me. I will see you next time. Goodbye.